Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. All right. So here we are. The market has not done much of anything since we last left. I will say Apple looks like it made it to that $24 level, but beyond that, not much of anything. All right. So, hey, good morning. Shout out to the 4 people on the stream. Means we're starting the day off with 3 lurkers, I see. Oh, see Smooth, they sent you the notification. Good morning. Mingo, good morning. Yeah, top of the morning. Anything, y'all hear any like interesting news or anything that y'all think we should be watching out for? Because honestly, I've got nothing. Like the people I watch on YouTube, I got nothing. I did check kind of the like what's expected today. We got durable goods. I guess it came in better than expected. Kareem, good morning. Ro King, good morning. The Gemini, good morning. I'm claiming first light. Hey, good stuff, C Smooth. Appreciate that. Twanda, good morning. Yeah. Yeah, don't know what to expect today. Let me see what y'all are saying for the market. So I see 67% green. Okay. See y'all popping off. I can't tell if it's go up or go down with quantum or AI. I would have thought that the S&P pushing higher would be bullish news. So there's kind of been a lot of like rotation a little bit, but I mean, D-Wave is kind of chilling. It's above the trend line. I may have to close that out. I'll see how this candle holds up because I feel like it should still come down. But if it wants to go up and make like some kind of double top, that'll kill me. So, yeah, I might have to close out. That contract did not play out how I wanted. I probably should have, like, ultimately should have averaged down on it when it was up here at 12, but did not. But hey, real quick, yeah, let me see. IonQ is moving up. I was able to scoop some up. I think it was down here. Last I checked, I was up like 45, 50% on the shares I scooped up. Let's see. Let me go back to QBTS. Christine, good morning. Lucky J, good morning. All right, let's hey, sharing some love to the man Lucky J. All right, Rodney, good morning. I have 100 to trade, looking for a good trade. I'm thinking Nvidia has to fill gaps. So yeah, I got Nvidia here. Nvidia has a gap fill down to 118 as well as up to 120. Might actually move the resistance down to about that 120, 121 area. But yeah, Nvidia, I mean, in my eyes, it doesn't have far to move, but yeah, I can see what you mean. Right now, it's like if I had $100 to trade with, I wouldn't know what to do with it. I would be potentially interested in Tesla. Tesla is right here at this, like it's at this trend line where it can like reject, but beyond that, I don't know. Here, let me turn the 4080 on my EMA off for most of these things. Cluttering up my charts a little bit. All right, let's see. Yoko, good morning. Cynthia, good morning. Did I close mine? No, I did not. Yeah, I'm still holding it. Probably should have, but no, I'm still holding it. I almost bought that at the worst time yesterday. There was a point to take profit. I just didn't have a day trade. Big Reg, top of the morning. Grand Rising. Airing, top of the morning. Heidi Ho, morning to all. Hey, top of the morning. My life be like top of the morning. All right, let's see. Exactly, I got a little bit of cash, but I'm not putting it anywhere. No, yeah, I feel that. I feel like there are places to put cash, like long term. Let me see. I was like dropping like single dollars and stuff last night in my Roth, like just cause I'm like, yo, let me have this on my list. Let me add a lit. So I dropped $1 in TTD. I dropped $1 in Adobe. Did I drop it in anything else? Nah, those were the only ones I dropped it in. Let's see. RGCs are Grand Rising. Yeah, Tesla is dropping. Yeah, it is dropping. I'm just interested to see what it does or like how. Because it's like this is pre-market. So if it's dropping pre-market, it could be taking this to run up pre-market too. Honestly, I'm not too convinced of anything unless it either breaks below 277 or breaks above 286. Like I noticed a lot of stuff yesterday was in the range of yesterday, like kind of like set. So we'll kind of see. What's today? Wednesday? Yo, happy hump day. All right, let's see. Lakeisha, good morning. Good morning. 26, you already know. Hey, only in SoFi. SoFi is it's at the trend line. So from here it would either get a bounce or it's looking like it could be getting ready to fall. I mean, there's also this 13 EMA too. But yeah, it's looking like it could be getting ready to fall. So that's the only thing. Right now I'm not like, unless the move is to the downside or unless we break something to the upside. Like right now I am leaning more towards a move to the downside to kind of just for a pullback. It doesn't have to come and make a new low, but I would look for a pullback. Or that's what I would lean more towards. And good morning, M-Sense. Good morning, Master DRC. Yeah, we here. We're all here for a good time. All right, so SPY pulling back, but it's like now that I look at it, it's kind of like still just chilling. It's 1350 April 4th put. Hey, that could play out. Let's hope things go your way. I mean, it's up closer to being oversold. Yeah, there's the 200, like it bounced off the 200 EMA yesterday. Really just depends on how stubborn the market wants to be. But it's like flat. So yeah, the SoFi has potential. Young Lee, top of the morning. Is today gold day for Robinhood? Oh, let me see. I feel like I saw something about that. Let me check Robinhood. I don't know. Like I just see something about a 2% boost whenever I transfer. And then also I get entered if I make deposits, but oh, Lost City of Gold at 8 p.m. That's today. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but yeah, I just added it to my calendar. All right, let's see. Derive pick said don't hold too long, so stop loss will be set tight. If I get go green, I'll accept it. Have you taken a gander on Derive yet? So the thing about Derive is like Derive, the play should not be good before the market opens. So it's like we can look for trade ideas, but it should not like the trade shouldn't be like this is what I see for Derive. So it says something there's a swing opportunity for a put on Derive. 50 minutes on DraftKings 50 minutes ago. But it's like you got to be careful. There's one for a put on Tesla too. This one's from 8 hours ago. But yeah, you just got to be careful with the ones after hours. Don't pay attention to like. You can see there are like kind of like these price targets and stuff. That's all irrelevant. I mean, you can probably still look in the charts and see if there's a move. So, I mean, we can check. Here, let me put this to the side so I can still see it. But let's see. Here, we can check out. Oh wait, not Derive. What is it? DKNG. So it says something about it's a 375.5 put. The price was almost $39 at the time, so it was like up here. All right, so wait, it says that's a swing trade though. So yeah, it's looking like it could have it going to about like maybe targeting this or maybe down here. But I don't know, that doesn't seem like enough meat on the bone for me. Henry, good morning. Derek, good morning. I've been trying to add some money to Robinhood, but can't seem to see 6-digit code on the bank. Oh, I'm not sure what you're talking about if I'm being real. It's been a while since I've had to deal with that. Azure, good morning. For every dollar you invest with Robinhood, that's one entry to. Yes. I can only imagine how many people are entered. All right, so we got the market open. I want to pull NVIDIA back on it right here. Yeah, the market is open. Yeah, NVIDIA is starting off pulling back. George, good morning. Dorothy, good morning. Video Rillo, good morning. LMAO, good morning. All right. All right, so SoFi opening up below the trend line. QBTS opening up kind of above. Still looks like it could be a fake out, so I'm waiting, but Tesla selling off a little bit, down 2% on the morning. Apple down a little bit on the morning. Apple's coming back to looks like do a little retest. So we got a break yesterday. Let's see if this is a retest or if it's coming back down. I think I had Apple being okay, coming back down to what is it? 221. Still got those. Yeah, I still have the puts on Tesla. And I would agree they're definitely iffy. But yeah, I still have them. Definitely very, very iffy. When you look at your bank statement, the transaction with Robinhood, those numbers that follow. Interesting. I've never had to pay attention to that. Aragon, good morning. Timothy, good morning. Yeah, we're like not going anywhere right now. Dr. Modify, good morning. I have puts on Tesla at 250 as well. All right, let's see if it comes down. All right, Nvidia has closed its gap to the downside. Let's see if we can get some other stuff to close its gap to the downside. Like, I won't be mad if Tesla wants to come close its gap to the downside. That'll be a mega blessing. But SoFi pulling back. Yeah, Nvidia is pulling back. QBTS moving up. The SPY is pulling back as well. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot I had that SPY put from yesterday. It's up like 6%. It was up more. I want to say it was up like maybe like 30%. But yeah, we're still in this range. All right, so let's see. Okay, selling off a little on the SPY, selling off a little on Tesla. We will take that. Bring it on down. I mean, it's not really moving. It's more like a tease. IQ so real. Good morning. Puts on SPY today. I mean, I'm in a SPY put, so that would be ideal. I got in the put yesterday. 575 put that expires on Friday. And like we pretty much have not done anything yet, so that's ideally what I would say is a move, but we'll kind of just have to see. But yeah, it seems like a good move to me. Like we had some liquidity here. We kind of like look like started sweeping it. Let's see. Do you mind checking out GME? I heard if it get above. So the way I chart, like you can't really, when it comes to looking at GME, it's like can't necessarily. Here, let's go to a weekly. So next level of resistance here looks like 30. Then about 30, 34, 35, somewhere in that range. And then I would say, like, once it gets above 34, 35, it can go kind of crazy. Next hard level is like 40, then 48. But yeah, honestly, it's like, with that one, you're taking a chance. You don't exactly know, like, what kind of move you're going to get. What you're going to want to do is actually like watch the volume, see what's going on with the volume. As that volume's increasing, it can do well, but here, let's see. All right, QBTS might have been a fake out. So yeah, they got some good volume. Like right now, yeah, it looks like they got some good volume right now. There's a lot of selling pressure right now, but yeah, they got some good volume. So yeah, if that volume keeps increasing, let's go to a daily. I mean, the volume is relatively low to when they last kind of ran. But yeah, if you see like continued increase in volume, it can run. But that more when it comes to GME, that's more of something I watch. Like I would like go on Moomoo and look at the unusual options activity. That'll tell you a lot more than the charts will, in my opinion. It's like the charts are really just good for like kind of picking next levels and stuff. All right, let's see. AMD 115 calls. So AMD, I actually have to be in the supply zone. So if it's still running, hey, maybe. But AMD should be pulling back. Let's see. Yeah, it's in the supply zone. So I would be careful here. Like if it can like if we get a close above like 116, and yeah, AMD can like take off. But I would just be careful here. Tesla sell off might be hope for the put. Tesla is right now it's kind of chilling, big chilling, man. Like it's looking like we're going up, but it's like also kind of like right now I kind of just want to wait. You know how they like to sometimes start the day off one way and then like a couple hours later give you a different story. SoFi is still pulling back, but everything else is kind of showing like more of a bullish kind of a weak bullish kind of story, but a bullish kind of story. Here, let me refresh the Rive, see if there's anything on there. Okay, so, oh wait, it's a scalp. So I see one for, okay, it says target probability is low. So I see a SPY call on there that expires tomorrow with the 578 strike. I'm going to just add it. I'm not going to buy it, but I'm going to add it just to see how it plays out. I don't really do their scalp trades like that. So it was a SPY call. And the price was, oh wait, it might have already hit the target. Let me see. So yeah, it's already it's already up like probably like 25% from like 4 minutes ago, but I'll still watch it. The target was like 152. Yeah, I'm gonna just add it just to see if it hits the target. I don't think it will. I feel like it might kind of stop here, but all right, let's see. DT, good morning. Ion Q. I have shares, but I'm not like I don't really watch it to like trade. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah, so Ion Q's moving. I have some kind of line here for some reason. Let's see. Oh no. Oh, hold on. This might be let's see. Yeah, I don't know what this line was for. But I have some kind of line there for some reason on Ion Q. But Ion Q is doing well. I think Like I bought in around $18 or so. So I just kind of have those shares moving. Bruno, good morning. What do you use for volume? So I just use the volume bars. There are volume bars on the on TradingView. Also, looking at the volume bars on Tesla, they're kind of low up here. So that means they can like sweep that. Here, let's see what they look like on SPY. Yeah, the volume is kind of low. So that means like we can get volume at any point and they can sell it, like really sell the market off right now. So yeah, you got to be really hesitant whenever you see the market moving higher on low volume. Or honestly, whenever you see any movement on low volume, it's like don't trust it. All right, see AMD kind of pushed up to 116, got slapped back down. Yeah, you got to be careful in these supply zones. I want to get in on Palantir, but gauging if it's going to pull back or not. Oh yeah, let's take a look at Palantir. I mean, right now it's consolidating. There's still like a gap to be filled down to 91. But honestly, yeah. I think it just depends on what narrative kind of gets spun by the market. I don't know if Trump wants to make a tweet, anything like that. It's probably going to come down to like some broader news because the market is very much like chilling right now. It's very content where it is. It's very balanced. It's like everything is kind of like super in the middle. Like there's a lot of red, there's a lot of green, but it's like nothing has really moved too extreme. Please check Melly. Am I looking at the right thing? Hold on. I don't know. The volume on this is way too low. Like this was high volume and this is 27K. So I can only imagine what the options contracts looks like on this if there are options contracts. Let me take a look. Because honestly, this seems like something that one would not want to trade options on if that's what you're looking at doing. So they have options. If you are looking at doing options on Melly, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give financial advice. This isn't financial advice, but if it were me, I would strongly like push myself not to trade any options on Melly because the open interest for the contracts at the money is 11. You usually want the open interest to be in the hundreds, if not thousands. So at 11, that means there is only 11 people that hold contracts on it. So it's going to be really hard to get in and out of contracts. And on top of that, the bid to ask spread, just buying in, the bid to ask spread is literally $1,000 difference. So it's like say you buy right into an option contract and want to get out, you would legit lose $1,000 if you decide you want to get out right away, or you would have to pay $1,000 in a loss just to get out. So just want to bring that to your awareness. That is very, very dangerous if you're looking at the options. All right. Looks like quantum may be do good, but taking your advice, and yeah, it's like, yeah, I would. Yeah, I'm waiting because I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's like the market could very well go sideways, but we kind of already got our data for the day. Caribbean vibes. Good morning. I noticed you have to take those screener options on Derive like right away. Not necessarily. It depends on it depends. Like if you do the like if it's a scalp, yeah, it's gonna be right away. If it's a swing, you can usually wait for a swing. Sometimes, like if you get it within like 15 minutes on a day trade, it'll often work out. But yeah, depending on the positions, like what kind of trade it is, yeah, you gotta act pretty fast. They're playing with Apple. Yeah, Apple. Here, let's pull Apple back up. I mean, Apple is like slowly grinding up, but it's like in a range. What call? I had a 225 call yesterday. Okay. So I don't think I missed out on anything. Hakeem, good morning. Question: when something halts up, down, I know we can't buy shares, but can we buy options? No. You cannot buy options during a halt. You're better. You're in a better situation to buy shares during a halt than options, though, because you can at least predict the pricing with the shares and put in a limit order. Options, the price can drop dramatically. So if you try to put in a limit order, you might end up paying too much. But no, yeah, there's not ever going to be a situation that you're going to be able to buy options but not be available to buy shares. It's like, if anything, it's going to be the other way around. You can buy shares when you can't buy options, but if the shares are not available to trade, the options will for sure also not be available to trade. All right, so just an update. SoFi is pulling back. I do want to alert that at 1331, that is that'll be at its 13 EMA on the 4-hour, but there are still levels to the downside. Next kind of area of support's $13 after that. And then also there is a gap fill to about 1292. Just kind of updating you on that SoFi. Hakeem, good morning. What do you think is a good number for volume when you're making a trade? So I don't really look for a certain number of volume. I just know there are numbers that seem really small. So if we look at AMD, let's see what the volume shows on AMD. I don't know. It's like AMD is like in the millions on volume. Apple, let's see. Apple is also in the millions. Apple is pushing up. SoFi, this is going to be lower, but oh no, yeah, SoFi is in the millions too. Hundreds of thousands or millions. Let's look at D-Wave. This one should be lower volume. So D-Wave is actually still in the hundreds of thousands or the millions. So yeah, usually if you see like tens of thousands, that's kind of low. Just be aware of that. All right, so AMD getting this pullback. This is exactly why I was saying be careful, because it was in the supply zone. Like whenever that 115 call was called out on AMD, is why I was saying be careful. All right, so we're pulling back a little bit on the SPY. Back up on those SPY puts. I really thought I was gonna get paid yesterday with those SPY puts, but nah, we're very much so in a range right now. All right, and Q wave is back, or D wave is back below the trend line. Hopefully my trend line's not like a little off and this isn't a break and retest, but it's looking like it's back below, and it's looking like that was like kind of a fake out. All right, let's see. Charlene, hey, no worries. DT, you're welcome. Phil Nye, hey, what's up, Phil? Hey, smash that like button. Yeah. Not trying to go to El Salvador today. 47 away from being safe. El Matatan, hey, what's up? Great day. Josh, good morning. Let's see. Derive say take profits around 1275. Do they give exact areas to take profits? Let me see if I can find this. What is it, a SoFi trade? Is it from yesterday? Let me see. Oh, I see one. You got the $14. Was it a $14 put strike? Wait. Where you see the wait? You said they say take profits around 1275. Oh, are you looking at like the chart, like the little price movement graph? Wait. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Thank y'all. All right, let's see. What is an EMA? So an EMA is an exponential moving average. And honestly, I'm not sure if I recently just made a video or if I just or if I just talked about it on stream. Let me see. I may have just made a video about it. Let me check my channel real quick. Like there are a lot of times I'll think I made a video about something, but it turns out I just talked about it in detail on stream. AI day trades, cheap options trades. I don't think I just made. Okay, that's okay. Yo, I feel like I went in depth then on stream. Okay, I really thought I made like a full on video. Sometimes I be going in when people ask questions on the stream. So yeah, I will have to make a video on that. I really thought I made a video on that. No, I did how I set up my indicators step by step. That's the video here. I'll drop the link real quick in the chat. Cause I was like, yo, that felt like a little too in depth to be just a talking on stream. So yeah, that link I just posted, that's gonna be a video going over what you just asked. All right, hey, it's good seeing some selling off now. But in short, EMA is exponential moving average. Thizzle, good morning, family. I tend to buy options with far expiration dates. I think my main issue is when I see profit in the first week, I wait to see if it gets higher. I guess see profit, take profit, no matter what the expiration date. So kind of with me, when it comes to see profit, take profits. So I use a margin account, and my thing is, like when I get time, it's like if I can take profit the next day, like especially at open, I'll take it. And if I see a better re-entry for the trade, I will get back into it. But no, yeah, usually just with like keeping in mind like, oh, the profit is there in the morning. Yeah, I'll snatch it. I'll get back in and out. If my trade, if my plan is still like, if I was like, oh, it's going to go all the way here, then the usually the first like 15 minutes or whatever, it'll go one way and then it'll go the other. So because of that, I'm like, oh yeah, I know there may be another opportunity. It might get a little cheaper. And if not, it's like I would rather have this profit than like things go completely wrong. So yeah. All right, yeah. Hey, things are selling off now. SPY is approaching that support. Tesla is at that support too. All right, so it looks like that call scalp did not go. It did get up like 30%. That scalp call from Derive, but yeah. Wait, what alert just went off? Okay, yeah, SPY is okay. All right, yeah. Got a good little pullback on the SPY. Let's see how that SPY put's doing. I think my account needs to update because it's showing up. Okay, there we go. I was about to say it was showing. I was like $1 in the red. Oh shoot! Look at my wife. Hey. I see my wife from my window. She's outside running. Look at her go, being all fit and stuff. You go, girl. It's a little wet outside though. I don't know why she went outside. I would have gone to the treadmill, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, let's see. That Uber put from Derive yesterday is money. Hey, good stuff. I didn't even see it. Broadcom still down. Any chance of a pullback? Here, let's look on the higher time frames. So right now for me, the kind of area where I would see like potential for a reversal would be around this 166 down to 157 area. So yeah, like right now it's very much so in a, like there are no higher highs or higher lows, like range wise. So because of that, no, I would still expect downside. All right, this SPY put is not holding here. Let me go to like a 5 minute, see if there's like a trend line to ride down. Yeah, I might try to, here, I don't like seeing it in this little zone thing. Let me see if I can like if there's like an EMA I can ride down. But let me shrink that down. Okay. I want to see if I can just ride this today. All right, probably like same thing on Tesla. Big time. Good morning. Yes, I looked it up yesterday. It said nice. Optimization. Let me see if I can find it. Okay. Hey, good stuff. D-Red Terra. QQQ back to 490. Here, let's take a quick look at that. Oh yeah, it's all right, yeah, it's at the EMA. The 4-hour EMA at least. All right, we still haven't like broken support, but we got a good pullback so far this morning. All right, Meta is going nuts. Let's see what going nuts is. Oh, Meta is falling like crazy. Okay, so all right, it looks like things are trying to move back to like fill in their gaps. I would love to see everything come back to close in its gap today, especially if the SPY wants to come fill its gap as a whole. Like that'll be great. Like if it wants to come back to 565, the SPY is gone kind of ape. So yeah, we'll see what that can do. We'll see if this trend line can, or this EMA can provide anything today. Okay, it says for this to be profitable, stock needs to move towards profit zone. Okay, 1274. I mean, that's cool. I mean, is it not profitable right now? I feel like it's profitable. Lucky J, hey, shout out to your hey, I'm saying. Good habits, good habits. Yeah, we trying to get right. Trying to get right around these parts. Is Yeah, I think my put expires this week. Yeah, that put is worth like $34 right now. Yeah, it's not doing too hot. And then I also picked up a 255 yesterday. That's also not doing too hot. Yeah, Tesla is taking my money this week. The money is like the money I put in is like profit, but it was like, yo, it's taking my money. I'll start peace and blessings. Yeah. Lucky J, hey, be aware. Lucky J cannot save us all. All those likes, unfortunately, only count for one. Yes, we gotta like the stream, not just hey, don't just lurk. Looks like we got about what? We had about 80 lurkers on a moment ago. That dropped a little bit, but hey, we still got like a load of lurkers, probably like 70 or so, from what I can see. Be sure to smash the like button. All right. Yeah, so we're doing a little selling off. See if this continues at all. Let me do a little refresh on Derive AI. All right. So, oh yeah, that's a nice candle on the 5 minute on Tesla. All right, join the family. Press the like button. Yeah, yes. Hey, just doing great. Oh, I see what you did there. Got Tony the Tiger. They're great. Dude, do those commercials still come on? I don't see regular commercials anymore. I feel like everything I watch now is online or streaming of some sort. So it's like, are the traditional like are television channels doing okay? Cause like the good ones, I still just watch online. All right, so no, yeah, the last thing I see on the ride was that call. Yeah, that thing is out of there. Yeah, let's see if we can push down lower. Let's make that happen. What's it, 905? All right, let me check some some headlines. I'm up 20% stop loss set. Nice. Good stuff, good stuff. All right, let's see. What was I doing? Oh, I was about to check news. Let's see if we got anything interesting. Let's see. PayPal holdings surpasses 30 billion in global loans originations. US stocks extend fall. Euro extends fall against the dollar. Yeah, not really seeing too much going on right now. All right, yeah, Tesla's trying to come down a little bit. Let's make that happen. Move on down, buddy. come on down. Dun, 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 dun. I need to sit down. I feel like standing up is normally a solid move, but yeah, I'm gonna have to sit down right now. All right, let's see what we come on down. Remember the 2 lists I sent you in Discord? I got 2 alerts on options. If anyone is interested and wants to have a look, you recall, wait. Don't want to disrupt the flow. Oh, did you send me more? Oh man, we can definitely take a look. We don't really have anything going on right now, so yeah, we can definitely look at some. Right now I'm just watching. Well, I guess I'm watching D-Wave too, but nothing's really happening with that. But right now, I'm just trying to watch the SPY and Tesla. Watch them hopefully continue their trend. I might go to a 2 minute. What do they look like on the 2 minute? Is it too late for a SPY put? Actually, no, because these blue lines, those were my support and resistance. So I got a SPY put yesterday around 576, but like my watch list this morning, I think I had the level of support around here. So once you get like a complete candle below this area, that would be when the signal was to grab a SPY put. So nah, it shouldn't be too late yet. All right, so here, let's see. Are you currently in? Yes, I am currently in puts on Tesla. They look like they're trying to come back to life. I'm here for it. I'm very much here for it. Very, very much here for it. Hey, where's Tesla's support level? I mean, it depends on your time frame. So I had the 277 support. Next area, I would say probably like around 272, 273, 268, 262. So yeah, you just kind of gotta take it bit by bit. But right now, 277 is that current one. Let's see. Okay, A entry dates. Is a ticker symbol A? Oh wait, entry date 326 NVR. Here, let's see what's popping with this. So you say NVRI. Did I pull that up right? Okay, so it's a $10 call. Okay, that seems right. Pay no more. Okay. Entry $15. Okay. Let's see what they're oh, Tesla selling off some more. Oh wait, hold on, wrong chart. Okay. I mean, that would be a decent move. By no means a financial advisor. Okay, let's see if okay, I can see something that occurred there though. So looking on the weekly, it's a weekly demand, so I could see that going to at least $9 or so. How much time? The expiration for July? That seems valid. That seems valid. It looks like he's giving you like supply and demand plays. and he's picking like yeah, I like it. I like it. I actually think like whoever's doing this, like giving you these plays, I think they're good. They're good. Because of you, I'm up $100 on the Tesla put. Oh, I wish I was up $100 on the Tesla put, but hey, glad to hear you are, Shane. Hey, that's you that took that trade. That's all you. Let's see. Nah, I'm no goat. I'm no goat. We give way. The glory goes up. All right, let's see. Let's see. Uh, Entry date 324. Tree. What is tree? Let's see. I'm gonna stay on the weekly for this one. Okay, so okay, lending tree. Okay, let's see what it says. $60 call. Let's see. Targeting 60. 460, no more than 5. Let's see. I mean, I can see it going up there. I would say it's very much so in motion already. I would imagine the entry for that was like on Monday, right? Wait, this is a weekly. Hold up, my bad. Let me go to it. I mean, it's riding up. I don't like that one as much, but it's probably like the trend is there. The trend is definitely there. So maybe it was like a bounce from the trend line or something. Let's see. Oh, MSense she sent me like a list in Discord at one point. No, she sent it like I think she sent it to me privately. So my life be like he's probably asking like where in the Discord is it? Like just know you're more than welcome. Like if you wanted to post it in Discord so people can see it, you're more than welcome to do that. Like honestly, the only rule is like in the Discord is like nothing harmful, nothing harmful and like nothing rude or anything like that. But yeah, you're free to post it in there. Tesla put cook me, not gonna lie. Yeah, we'll see. Right now, hold on. I might looking on this short term here. Let me might look to take profit on this SPY put. Yeah. So it looks like 20% on the SPY put. Yeah. Yeah. Locked in at 344 per share. Let me share that with the family real quick. I mean, it very well could go lower, but this was a swing from yesterday. So I'm just see profit, take profit. All right, let's see. Let's see. Just took profit on SPY put, sold out for, what is it? 344 per share. Yeah, now it's the price is even better. It looks like it could still go down. I just don't. Whenever I see a stock, wait, where's it at? Consolidating like this, more oftentimes than not, it'll be like a reversal. Right now, it looks like it'll actually come down, but more oftentimes than not, it's a reversal. So I'm just gonna kind of take profit on that since I'm up. If I see an opportunity, I'll get in. But yeah, I don't know how long that'll last. So. let's see. Good morning, MS. Look like a buy for April. Here, let's see. What is it? MS? Oh, Morgan Stanley. So first off, I would want to see them get above this, get above their like the 126. Here looking on a weekly, they're still making lower lows and lower highs, so I would not be in such a rush to buy it. It's like long term, maybe, but I would look to buy them kind of around like 102 down to like 93. So just know they can get cheaper, like a lot cheaper. But no, I would not partake in any buying here. They're actually at their 13 EMA, which is serving as resistance right now. So I would not make that move personally. Cut my losses right before it tanked. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, no, yeah, Tesla is rarely is Tesla a smooth ride. It always likes to take you for a ride. Okay, let's see. Okay, will do. If anyone's interested, I will be glad to share what I am receiving. Let's get this bread together. Hey, that's what family's about. Appreciate you, my life be like. That's the value in the Discord. That's like where the free section came from. Y'all see I like use these trend lines a lot. And I was like, there was a point in time I was just like only using supply and demand, and like it didn't always work. I mean, nothing always works. Sometimes, you get catalysts and whatnot. SPY looks like it might be going for more, but I don't fully see that it's going for more yet, but it looks like it might be. But yeah, sometimes you get these catalysts and they what am I trying to say? Oh well, anyways, without the Discord, I wouldn't be using trend lines at all. So I gotta say the Discord is even the free section is very valuable just because some of the people in there like just sharing the way they trade has changed the way I trade it. And I'm like, dang, homie is doing a lot better than me, making a lot more, and it's like just posting, showing his trend lines, showing like what he was trying to ride through. I'm like, yo, yeah, I gotta get in on this. So yeah, it's like whenever you have something that works, yo, share that. All right, so SoFi is at 13.13, still pulling on back. SPY's pulling on back too. I closed that out. I'm hoping my Teslas come back to life. I would love it. QBTS comes back to life. I might kind of go for another SPY. Maybe with less time on it. Maybe be a little more reckless. Let me check my day trades. I think I got one in the tank. Wait, hold up. Wrong account. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't realize I could do that. Okay. But yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, SPY's going for it. Okay. Tesla is too. Okay, SPY. I'm gonna buy a 572 put that expires today. Just because it looks like we got a clear break. I don't know if I'll get filled. Yo, it's already like ran up in price since I just put that order in. I'll wait and see if the price gets filled. If it gets filled, I'll let y'all know. But I did just let y'all know what I was looking at. But I'm only gonna be in it if the price comes down. Get some kind of pullback. Okay. GME is starting to. I mean, it's moving a little bit. I don't love this. Like, I'm not like, I guess per se a master with squeeze plays. It's like whenever I played GME, it's like my success came from I'm looking at the unusual options activity down when it's down here at like 21. So right now, looking at GME to me is probably a trap. It's like, because whenever it gets attention, that's whenever it's like, oh yeah, let's run the price up, or let's run the price up, but let's make it stop moving. So yeah, if we like look at GME, oh yeah, I don't GME hasn't done anything yet. If we look at open today, they haven't. I would need them to break above their pre-market high, which is 29.91. They haven't done anything yet. Let's see. How far do you think Tesla will dip? I'm debating when I should take profit on my inverse. So let me see. So I read out the next level. So next level on Tesla is going to be about 272, which it just got pretty close to. Let's see. Then after that, it's going to be about 268. Then about 262. Then about 253. There's a gap that needs to be filled all the way to 250. So it's like, it really just depends at the pace that Tesla wants to move. Oh, I got filled on the SPY put. Let me so I am now in about right here. All right. So yeah, let me alert the family real quick. At everyone just grabbed a, what is it? Was it 572? 572 SPY put expiring today. Paid A6 per share. Hold up, red alert. This is a very high risk trade. Could go to 0. Okay, there we go. Oh, let me also send the picture. There we go. All right, let's see. All right, so Tesla pulled back up. Let's see if it retests or if it ends up holding up. Yeah, things are coming down though. If I'm looking at all my charts, they're all red. Here, let me go up to a 5 minute on the SPY and on Tesla. It'd be cool to if Tesla pulls back up to 278. That'll be cool. If the SPY pulls back up to where's theirs? Like 574. I was going to ask. Okay. Sounds like a whining noise in the background. Okay. I think I might know what the problem is. I'm gonna have to go under the desk. But here, let me check it out. Let me check it out. All right. Do we still hear the whining noise? Let me know. Let me know. What do you mean when you say the gap needs to be filled? Ooh, I get this question every day. I'm probably gonna have to make a video about it. There are holes in the market, pretty much. Like these two candles don't touch, and yeah, whenever they don't touch, the market will come back and make sure that gets filled. So if this comes back down to this 1292 level, there is now overlap, and that gap has now been filled. Okay, I just tried to turn it off and turn it back on. Is it still there? Let's see. DGZ, good morning. Sounds like a dramatic climb. Dang, that's nasty. I noticed the noise. I think it was also on your video you posted earlier. Really? It's still there? Dang. Okay. All right. Y'all give me a second. I'm gonna have to all right, I'm gonna have to there the sound's about to go off for a little bit. I'm about to like disappear for a little bit. I mean, I'm still here, but you're not gonna see me. Dang. Okay, hold up. I gotta hear this myself, honestly. Hold up. Dang. Okay, hold up. I gotta hear this myself, honestly. Hold up. All right, hold up. Let me yeah, nah, we can't have a never-ending violin. Hold up. All right, y'all. Let me know how we're doing. Let me know how we're doing. All right. Okay, let's see. Yeah, cause yeah, we can't wake up on Elm Street. Yeah, we can't have all that. Sounds like the sound of a cooling fan still there. Okay. Sleep paralysis movie. Oh no. Oh no. All right. Good thing it's not. It's still there. Ah, that's wild. That's wild. Okay. I don't know what to say. Okay, hold up, bruh. Yeah, might be, might be. Yeah, I'm really here trying. Yeah, I'm like straight up just trying to be IT right now. Just plug and unplug. Make sure no cables are overlapping. Cause first time y'all complained about it over time, it was like it's nothing crazy, not a big deal. I don't hear anything. I think uh I think it might be different if you're like using headphones. So it's like I personally don't hear it, but it's here. I'm a. It's like I personally don't hear it, but yeah, it's like I don't hear it on my computer when I do it. But yeah, I might need headphones. Sounds like a radiator. Yeah, I might need some. I might need to invest in some headphones to like monitor it. All right. Let's see. Heard it since the start of the stream. Not that serious. Okay. Yeah, I guess I will look into it in my free time. Add that to the to-do list. I'll probably invest in like some headphones to like monitor. I used to have like some on-ear headphones, but I was like, yo, I never use them. But hey, I might start streaming with headphones on my ears so I can hear. Just YouTube the problem. Someone out there. No, yeah, 100%. It's like I did it last time. It's like it was. It could also be like so. I don't know. There's like a thunderstorm this morning, and like nothing has changed except for the fact that there was like a loud like I don't know. It sounded like it was close. You know, they say when you see the lightning, however many seconds later, that's about how far, like how many miles away it is. I don't know if that was like hypothetical or just something they told kids, but yo, I saw the lightning and it was like half a second. So that mess was close. Oh, hold up. It was from 30 minutes ago, but they're on Derived. There's a day trade on Amazon. It was okay. It's about the same price. It's not too much lower. So there's a put on okay, the rating is okay. It's not anything crazy, but oh no, I don't love that. I don't love that trade. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. See what it's looking like on the 4 hour. Yeah, I don't necessarily love that. I can see it happening, but I don't necessarily love that trade. Oh, and I already have like a day trade in the pipe, so I couldn't do that anyway. Okay. Thought it was his music. Hey, hopefully, hey, let's just pretend it's my music. That's what it is. Yeah, it's my music. I just like to add the vibes to the stream. What do you think about TTD for a long swing? So last time I looked at TTD, I got wrecked. On the 4 hour, we got a change in the market structure, so it is bullish on the 4 hour. On the weekly, it's not looking so hot, but yeah, if you get time, it does look like really good. But it could pull back, make one more low. Like I could see it like making one more bottom coming a little bit lower before coming up. But if you're cool with that possibility, and if you kind of factor in for that when you're getting the swing, then yeah, I don't see anything wrong with that. I think there's really good upside. I bought $1 of it last night, of the share, not like a swing or anything. You think Nvidia will bounce today or tomorrow? I think the market is going to do some more falling. I don't know if Nvidia is ahead or behind, but yeah, I don't know about timing. Nvidia can definitely Nvidia definitely has more falling it can do. So I wouldn't necessarily look for a bounce quite yet. Next level on Nvidia. Okay, it already kind of hit that. So yeah, we'll look for a break. If it breaks below this 1394, watch out. To the upside. From here, I would probably say about 117 is going to be resistance for now. The tone is relaxing. All right, what was it? Okay, that's factual about lightning. My father used to show me all the time and tell stories. Hey, you see, I didn't know whether it was just something they told us as kids or if it was true. Let's see. Apple does have a big gap to fill. Here, let's see what Apple's looking like. Here, let me see. All right, let's see. Okay, Tesla is back at this EMA on the 5. I might try to average down on I don't know. I might just add one to the watch list or something. I don't know. Let's see. Hold up, y'all. All right, here. Yeah, let me see what's going on with Tesla. What put did I have? 255. That's kind of wild. Seems kind of crazy. Hmm. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how it goes. All right, so let's see. Let's see. At 200 support, Amazon resistance. Okay, I think I'm gonna wait till April 2nd to. I feel you there. Looks like Exxon has a good setup for a put. Just here. Let's see. Okay, I see it. I see it. Okay, high target probability. It's from 30 minutes ago. Let's look at Exxon though. Oh, hold on, wrong chart. So what is it for? Okay, so it's for a put. Let's see. Let's go to like a weekly or something. What is it? It's a swing trade. This is a weekly. I think. Yeah, it's a weekly supply zone. It was at. Yeah. Okay, it's a swing. Actually, yeah. Wait, it's 33. Okay. I mean, I'd be game for that. Let's see. Let me look at it on a 4 hour as well. Yeah, it's kind of running right now. Yeah, it's up there. It's oversold. Yeah, what we got going on right here? Is that a? I mean, it's a level of resistance. Like ideally, it would have come from like up here. Well, they move different. But what the expiration is next week? Here, let's look at those. Yeah, I might give that a shot. Let's see. XOM. Buy put. Wait, hold up. Trade options. April 14th. What is it? 114 put. Let's see. And then the take profit would be, what is it? $49. Get like 10 of those. Here, yeah, I'll add those. All right, so I just grabbed 10 114 puts that expire next week on Exxon. Let me add that trade. There we go. I forgot I could save these to my opportunities. I've been writing them down. I'm very much so annoyed. Let me see how much. What's the. Okay. Recommended take profit is 49. Okay, I'll come back and look at that later. Oh, let me alert the family real quick. What's that doing? Oh, first off, we need to look at Apple now. Oh, wait. Yeah, Apple has a gap to the upside. Let's see. Oh, I feel like I got a lot going on right now. Oh, hold up. Yeah, sometimes I get distracted, y'all. Did I? Yeah. Everyone caught this one on Derive and liked it. Just grabbed, what was it? $114 XOM puts expiring April 4th. Paid 26 per share. There we go. Let me add that to the watch list over here as well. Oh yeah, that would have been the perfect point to buy a put on Tesla. All right, so SPY put that I picked up is back in that area. Here, let's oh, I can't even look at the day trade I got on here because it was a day trade. So here, we got to look at the XOM. Just want to kind of add that up here so I can see it. Expires next week. It was a 114 put. All right, and we're going to add that to the watch list. And then we're going to sit back, see how it does. All right. All right, QBTS pulling back a little bit. That's cool. SPY pulling back a little bit. Tesla looks like it's still trying to go for it. That's cool. All right, let's see. What's your play on QBS? So it expired. The QBTS, it was a 850 put. Unfortunately, I've been in it too long. I got in it on March 25th. It expires. No, wait, hold up. What is this? I got in it on March 14th. And it expires on the 28th. So I'm actually down on it because it took longer to do what I was expecting than what I was hoping. So right now, unless it like really comes down, I'm going to lose on that. Let's see. Welcome, Christine. Apple hit 225 then dropped. That was its resistance. That was where I had the resistance. It was taking too long yesterday. I was not feeling very good about that. All right, let's see. Let's see. What was the profit target for XOM? So it had the profit target at 49. I haven't like set it yet, just because, sometimes it goes and hits the profit target first day, and I want to make sure that like I got a day trade on the SPY, and I got a day trade on, like, if it goes and does that on XOM, then I get a PDT just because it went and touched the profit target too early. So we'll have to see what actually comes of it. But yeah, I think it was 49 was actually the target. Macon, hey, what's up? But what are you saying what to, Macon? Yeah, happy to see you here. But yeah, let me know what's up, Macon. What was the profit target? Oh wait, okay. Seems like SPY won't go up or go lower than. Yeah, it might be because of the fact that the puts were bought, or they might wait till the end of the day. But right now, while we're kind of riding below the CMA, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Tesla looks like it's trying to go back up a little bit. So if here, let's look at Tesla. Let's get a broader look on Tesla. Tesla is also like holding up here. Tesla pulled back to the 13 EMA, so Tesla could actually continue to the upside potentially as well. So it really has me kind of scratching my head. Up 100% on GME, unrealized gains for the record. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Glad to hear it. Here, let me look at the SPY too, real quick. See what that's looking like on the 4 hour. That's also looking like it's holding up. So we're still very much in the range. Yeah, very, very much so in the range. All right, I think I'm gonna cut Tesla. Let me see, cause Tesla does not look like, does not seem to be doing well. I'm gonna cut all my Tesla contracts, unfortunately. Taking some big L's, but I believe if it does make a move to the downside, it'll be better to catch it when it actually decides to continue on, as opposed to it just kind of consolidating. All right, so yeah, let me update the family real quick. I just sold out of my Tesla puts because I'm not doesn't look like it wants to move. Everyone just took L's on. Wait, hold up. L's. Wait, come on now. L's on both of my Tesla puts. What was it? 247.5 sold out at 32 per share, and 255 sold out at, what is it, 75 per share. Doesn't look like it's ready to move. Not trying to let it take all of what's left. There we go. Okay. All right, about to stop out of SoFi, 22% gain. Should have taken the 50, but hey, that's cool. If VIX is down, does that mean the SPY is up? So VIX. Okay, so interestingly enough, the SPY will not necessarily. It's weird. So VIX is the volatility index, and typically, as the VIX goes down, as the market goes up, the VIX will come down. But it's like just because the VIX is down doesn't mean or comes down doesn't mean the market will necessarily come up. The VIX will come down as the market stops making crazy movement. So, like if we look at D wave, like this chart right here, if we get something like this and then we get something like this, that'll shoot the VIX up. Whereas if we are kind of how we've been the past couple days with Tesla and the past couple days with SPY this week, this isn't that big of a range. Like this is a $3 range as opposed to like over here we sold off from 570 to 558. That's $12 going up to like 573. So it's like the less movement we have, the lower the VIX is going to be, and the lower the VIX, the lower the options contracts, the lower the prices of the options contracts. So it's like that will kind of that's kind of what the VIX is for. Like just know whenever you see the VIX higher, you're paying a lot more for options. All right, let's see. Chicken out of a SPY put this morning. I'm not good at this. I mean, it comes over time. It comes over time. I definitely make a lot of mistakes myself. I wouldn't call that a mistake though. It's like if you're not confident in it, don't take it. I would say that's a good play. The more you watch, the more that you see. Like over time, you'll probably gain the confidence to take those trades. So it's like I wouldn't necessarily fault you for not entering that trade, and I would say not entering the trade, like since you didn't trust it, is good because it's like the main thing that needs to be mastered with trading. Honestly, is going to be your mind. What do you think about Nvidia? So in my eyes, Nvidia can come down more today. It's come down a good amount, but it can come down more. The next level I will watch for it to break will be about 114 or so. What are we doing today? Are you a full-time? No, I'm not a full-time day trader. Like I would say this is what I do full-time, but like not all my income comes from day trading. So I wouldn't call myself a full-time day trader. I do this but I do this a couple hours every day. It's open. So if you really think of it, let's say like 3 hours a day, 5 days a week. So yeah, I'm a part-time trader because 15 hours a day. Yeah. And I still do a lot more work. So Matthew, you got any ETFs? You can shed some light on the subject. Or can you, I mean, I think the only ETFs I really look at are going to be like the SPY and like VOO. I don't think, like right now, I don't think I'm too heavy on ETFs. Let me see. Yeah, I really don't think there's like anything that it's personally like not my style. Yeah, I don't personally have any. I would it's like I look to things like the VOO and the SPY though. I would say mostly the VOO. Oh snap, I forgot I was behind on feed. Everybody refresh your feed. Oh yeah. Make sure you refresh your feeds. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to get out of my Tesla contracts too before I lose all my option premium. Nah, I feel that. And then Unfortunately, something we also need to brace ourselves for is for Tesla to just drop like a rock after we close the puts. That's one of the things you have to deal with whenever you don't get more time on your contracts. Okay, you got it. Good. SPY going to 571. Yeah, it's very well possible. It really just depends on how fast it wants to move. Honestly, let's. Yeah, it really just depends. I would love for like some kind of run. Like we got 28 minutes till what is it? European close. That would be cool. Like I would love for like a run to the downside, but we'll see. VTI is one of the most popular. Yeah, it's that one's like tech, right? Yeah, I know VTI is a popular one as well. Yeah, so yeah, honestly, if y'all wanna, if any of y'all invest a little bit more in ETFs, hey, for sure, help the family out. That's just not fully what I'm doing right now. Nvidia got in 1487 on the climb. Take a look. So I'm looking at Nvidia. Oh, that's what you mean. Okay. Here, let's see. I mean, it's technically actually no wait, hold up. It's in an old demand zone right now. Here, let me look at something. Let's go to a weekly. Let's see what Nvidia looks like on a weekly. So we kind of already reacted to this demand zone. So I would say this one is kind of dead. Let's get rid of that. Yo, to me, the next, wait, let's see. Yeah, next area of interest for me, like on a higher time frame with Nvidia, is going to be this like 91 level. But for now, with Nvidia, oh, it's still making lower lows and lower highs. Let's see it on a 10. Let's see it on a 5. Okay, you got low, high. Right now it's consolidating. So it's like it's cool if you got in at 1487. Like that's looking like kind of like a level of support, but also the range is very tight on that right now. Do you trade the euro market? Not at all. Not at all. So what is valuable to me about European close is that that usually once the market closes, the money from the Europeans that still want to trade come over to American American stocks and whatnot. So because of that, you will see more volume and you will see like kind of like a little bit more liquidity and movement occurring during like I guess maybe first 30 minutes to an hour of euro close. Oh, hold on. I see a little headline on Nvidia. Nvidia opposes new AI chip export rules from the Biden administration, fearing they may harm global AI demand and U.S. leadership. The restrictions target countries like China and Russia. Okay. Yeah, I don't really. Yeah. So 10:06. Yeah, we kind of honestly today we haven't like moved a crazy amount. Like, let's see what we got coming ahead tomorrow. Here, let me close these Tesla puts so I'm not looking at them still. But looking ahead to tomorrow, all right, so we got unemployment claims and final GDP pre-market, so that could move some things. So yeah, maybe towards the end of the day, I'll be on the lookout for I don't know, maybe something to swing. But here, I also want to look at Tesla on the daily. All right, also want to look at them on the weekly. Yeah, I still really think Tesla needs to like come fill this gap down to 250. Honestly, I would love if Tesla. No, actually, I wouldn't. I probably in that situation, if I were being honest, I'd probably act different. But I still feel like Tesla needs to come down more, like by the end of the week. Hmm. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, we're very much chilling now. See it, Exxon. I up like $2 on those Exxon puts. Let me refresh, see if there's any new trades in Derive. What are my thoughts on Meta currently? Here, let's see. Here, let's swap out the SoFi for Meta. I still would like to see a gap fill to this 597. I think like if you zoom out, these are amazing levels to buy Meta. I would expect Meta to make some kind of move back to probably around the 570, 575 level at the least. But like kind of where it is it can kind of go either way. There is current like resistance on the 200 EMA at about 635. So it's like, but like when it comes to like buying the stock, I think it's a good buy. Got a call on UEC. All right, let's look at UEC. I don't even. All right, first thing, I'm gonna check the volume, see if this. Okay, so looks like a lower volume like stock. I mean, highest volume I see is 780K over a span of 4 hours. So looks like a low volume stock. Let's go look at the options. Uranium Energy. You got a call. I mean, it has. I mean, there's some open interest. It's okay. I'll just say be careful. Like the open interest is low depending on the expiration. I would say anything outside of like anything that's not like right out the money or right at the money, you're going to have trouble with. So I don't know what call you got, but if I'm being real, I don't really love that. I don't love this for a trade. I think there is. Here, let me first off see what the. Yeah, I personally, yeah, don't love it for a trade. I think it's going to be hard to like really see profit on it personally. Hey, no problem, Carlos. If I were trying to make my first call, if I were looking at one here, let me see what. Let's see if I can find some different stocks that might have better, like at least numbers of open interest and whatnot. So not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but I would say SoFi. You'll probably the options prices they're not going to be exactly the same. They might be like a little bit more, but you're going to have easier time getting in and out of the trade with something like a SoFi as opposed to a UEC, just because there are a lot more people trading it. Let's see what else there might be. Let's see. So I'm not gonna say this is a good one to trade right now, just because it's not moving that much. But whenever it comes to open interest and volume, another good one would be Fubo. Fubo. So this might be right in line or actually a little cheaper than what you were just looking at, but it's like there are a lot more people and eyeballs on this stock, and because of that, you'll be able to get in and out a lot easier. So that's one thing I would kind of consider and think about. But yeah, it's like just the other one, the open interest and the volume was a lot lower on it, so it'd be harder to get in and out of. All right, let's see. Okay, Spy looks like it might be trying to further come down. Maybe I don't know. It's kind of chilling. It's still riding the. I'm glad I took profit where I took profit. I'll say that. But yeah, it looks like it's trying to further come down. It's below resistance. Got 15 minutes till Euro close. You're very, very welcome, Carlos. Very welcome. All right, let's refresh Thrive, see if they got any news. Oh, hold on, I had it on my opportunities. Okay, so wait, how long ago was this? 15 minutes ago, they got a put on Coke, $69 strike price. Let's take a look at Coke. And it's a position trade too. Let's see. All right, bearish trend. It does have a bearish trend. What's the expiration? The 17th. It's a valid amount of time. I just don't feel like I think the trade looks good. I just don't feel like wait, actually that's targeting 75% profit. Checking out early. Hey, peace out, Dr. Modify. Appreciate you stopping through. Okay, so it takes two. I'm new to this, have lost on every option trade, and I've looked at tons of videos with a million indicators, fair value gaps, etc., and it's a lot. I've seen videos where people say indicators waste of time, so I don't know where to start or how to pick entry, exit points. What do you think? Can I just choose support and resistance levels? So honestly, if I were, I think that's a great question. And when it comes down to it, I would say, honestly, the simpler that you can start, the way simpler you can make your trading, the better. A lot of this stuff is kind of troublesome. So one thing I will say here, I'm going to actually link it down below in the description. I have like a playlist that will kind of like show you how to trade. It's not crazy with indicators. It's mostly going to be like support and resistance and trend lines, and just making sure you have time on your trades. It's like, honestly, support and resistance will take you very far. I feel like people complicate trading, and it's like, I feel like if you actually take your time and like watch through this playlist, I think it's about like 6 or 7 videos. First video is kind of long, not gonna lie, it's like 40 minutes or so. But beyond that, I think you will I think if you actually take the time to understand this stuff and practice it, I think you will go far. So yeah, that link I just posted here, I'll also pin it. I would highly recommend like watching the videos in that playlist and like come and check in. I think you will see improvement. And like anything you don't understand, like come back. I know you see like there are EMAs and the RSI on my screen, but I'm not a fan of using like a crazy amount of indicators either. Actually, let me turn that off. Most of what I do is support and resistance and trend lines, and then supply and demand. It's like I trade different strategies, but I try to make sure they like link up. I think it's very important to learn one thing at a time, and all's trading mastery is all's mastering anything is like being good at anything is pattern recognition. The best at any sport, the best at any like trading or skill is like they have got a lot of reps. They've got a lot of practice. There's a lot of muscle memory there. It's like you do it so much to a point where it becomes automatic. So that's all I think it is. All right, let's see. What do you think about a short? Oh, and you're very much welcome. What do you think about a short for when Tesla's earnings report or delivery report comes out? I would say if you were going to do that, wait until wait, when is, let's see when it is real quick. Okay, so their earnings is April 25th. Is that the date? Oh, no. Okay. Is that saying Tuesday, April 29th? Okay, yeah, April 29th. So I would just say make sure you get it going into it, like, or get it a couple weeks ahead of time. Or actually, it's going to be tough because the price could like move a lot. So I don't, honestly, I don't know what I think about it. It's like with all the volatility and all the movement and whatnot, it's like if you're able to get a reversal trade kind of coming in, depending on where it's at, if you can get a reversal trade like really cheap 2 weeks out, I would think that's a good move. But it's kind of hard to say from where we are right now, at the speed we're moving at for everything. Isn't it odd that Tesla's going up and SPY is going down? You could say that, but Honestly, that's not uncommon with something like a Tesla. The Tesla often does the opposite of what the Spy does. So it's a little funny. Deliveries is on second. Okay, okay. Wait, deliveries is on second, and hold on, let me see. Usually, I feel like delivery and earnings are usually different. Let me see what day that it says, or that Robinhood says Tesla deliveries are. I feel like so Tesla earnings is on the 22nd. All right. Okay. We have a Spy coming down to this level for a third time. It might break it, make a new low. Let's see. Let's see. Oh no! Right now it's just chilling, still chilling. Yeah, but when it comes to deliveries, honestly, I never know when deliveries is. But yeah, Tesla has not been doing its numbers with deliveries. Crazy. I'm still in self. I thought you got stopped out. Hey, glad to hear you got took the profits on GME though, and now it's going your way again. Let you check the coffers. What's the coffer? Y'all, hey, we might be going to El Salvador today. Yo, we got 98 people on, and we got 94 likes. Oh, now we got 96. Yeah, might be on our way to El Salvador. 6 away, but we don't have the. I don't think we got enough to come through and like push us over. Let's see. All right, hey, 95 and 95. Okay, I mean it's cool. We want to end up in let's see. All right, spy pushing down a little bit, maybe, maybe. Okay, let's see. All right, yeah, we're right there, 90, 95 and 95. Okay, 95 and 96. Okay. Somehow we had some lurkers, but the likes were there were lurkers hiding behind the likers. All right. Okay. Selling off a little on the spy. Let's see. Let's see how that put's doing. Wait, why do you think this zone we're in won't be respected? And hold on. Julie, what stock are you talking about? Spy pushing down. Yeah, spy very well. Very, very well pushing down. But Julie, yeah, what zone are you referring to? What stock? All right, so spy. So this spy is not necessarily in a. Here, let's look. So this is actually this wasn't a supply zone. This was a actually it might be. Let's see. I mean, if it came down to a 4 hour supply zone, the supply zone was rather large and it was up here. Oh, hold up. This is what the zone was looking like. All right, so the zone was huge first off, but if it came down to it, it's still technically being respected. Let's go to like an hour. See if we can get something a little bit more refined. Oh, wrong thing. see. All right, so on the 1 hour. So hold up. Slide that in. Yeah, on the 1 hour. Zone looks a little bit more like that. And we're kind of chilled a little above it a little bit, but right now I would say it's playing out. It's playing out. All right, so hey, that SPY put's now up 11%. Good stuff. Good stuff. Let's go down to a lower time frame on a 5 minute. I would say it's being respected, but if you thought this was a zone, it was really just this was like more of a, I guess, a trade plan, or just like showing where I entered the trade at. And there goes Tesla. And it looks like a lot of other things. All right, so here, let's see. Okay, yeah, SPY pushing down. Oh, didn't take the 100% on GME or the 50% on SoFi. It took about 22%. Oh, dang. Stop didn't trigger, so now, okay. Do you think SoFi is in a good place to take a buy a put? So ideally the put on SoFi would have been bought at this break of the trend line, which was pretty much right at market open. There was opportunity. We've been talking about it. I would not like the idea of a put as much anymore, or not like the idea of entering a put as much anymore. It's like, I'm not saying you can't, but I just don't like it anywhere near as much. Coffer is like a vault. It's where Game of Thrones. Okay, I got you. I think SoFi has some room down. It does. So I mean, at this trend line, we're like a little better, like less of a kind of support and resistance. Oh, low key. Hold up. This might be more of a channel. Let's see. You know, yeah, we'll see how SoFi does. It looks like it could be in something like a channel. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, I'm in the put now. I would not know. Yeah, I'm in the put now. I would not get in now if I was not already in. No, yeah, I feel that. All right, so we got Euro close. We kind of sold off a little bit coming into Euro close. Oh, dang, I'm down on the SPY again. Oh, hold up. Those XLM. Oh, hold up. Okay, so those XLM puts are like, they're up 23%. I think that's like $6 per contract. Yeah, I was like, why is my portfolio so green? Well, it was already like decently green, but I'm like, oh, that move went up a little more than I thought. But yeah, shout out to Derive with the XOM. Good stuff. I had one portfolio doing, it was my Roth, that was not doing so hot this year, but it's been making a pretty nice recovery this week. I know I feel like I've lost a lot of trades this week, but I've actually, like, portfolio wise, it's something's bringing me up. I don't know. What do you think about SPY? So I'm currently in a put on the SPY, but we'll kind of see. I think the SPY could fall today. Beyond that, I don't really have too much to say. You're very welcome, Julie. Been in the negative since last week. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, C Smooth. Sorry to hear that. I think that SPY call swing did a decent amount to like help. Yeah, it's been a rough market the last few months. I've been pretty cautious. Hey, that's how you got to do it. Wait, so how are we doing on? Okay, so we got 47% green and 43% red, but we are very much so in the red on the day. Or not like very very much, but we're in the red on the day. 2 more likes. Yeah, we got 101 people on the stream. We got 98 likes. Oh, now we got 98 and 98. 99 and 98. Or 98 and 99. Okay, we got one more. Do we have any Oh, we did it. We did it. Okay. All right, we done did the thing. I was just about to ask and see if there were any superheroes out there. Oh, IQ so real. Oh, holding out till the end of the day. See how it is. Oh, let's look at that Exxon puts real quick. Yeah, up 26%. That's kind of shout out to Derive AI. I got the other account. Let me know if you need it. Oh, never mind. Hey, yeah. Hey, we just saved the chat from having to go to drop my basketball from having to go to what is it? El Salvador. Hold up, y'all. I think I got a meeting in a moment. Hold up. Let me check my email real quick. Okay. All right, hold up. Where's my meeting thing? Hold on, y'all. I'm just trying to. Oh, okay. All right, cool. All good. Know when my meeting is now. All right, so 6 minutes in the Euro close. Yeah, we got a nice cool. Where's my mouse? Oh, okay. Got a nice cool downtrend brewing. Looks like you could just ride the 13 EMA on the 5, kind of see how far it goes. Yeah, we're here cool. Hold on, what is this? Oh no, I got charged for something. When Euro close, so Euro close, you just get more volume, so you'll get like either Usually the market will go up or it will go down. You'll just see a little bit more movement. So we kind of just sold off a little bit coming in the Euro close. So that was pretty much what we would get. Hold on, I gotta cancel something. I thought hold up. I do not want to pay for this software. It was garbage. Yeah, I don't know what it was. All right, y'all. So I think we're gonna call it a day here. Kind of. So right now I am in the Exxon puts. I'm currently in a SPY put. My intention is to just hopefully the selling intensifies. Hopefully we can make it to at least like 571 or go insane and go to 595. But I'm hoping I can ride this 13 EMA down. Maybe to a point where Robinhood sells me out. Or maybe just... I think my break even would be... Let's see. Oh, hold up. My break even should be like... was 572. And I paid like 80... I think I paid 86. So my break even would be... 571.14. Why is that not? Oh, there we go. There we go. So yeah, that would be my break even. And yeah, below that, that'd be cool. We're kind of letting it do its thing. But yeah, we'll kind of see. I don't think I also have the QBTS that I do not know what's going on with that. Let me actually look at that real quick. Let's go to like a 5. I don't know. It's looking good today, but I don't know. So yeah, I'll watch that too. But yeah, beyond that, that's it. Video Rillo can't hear me. I don't know. Okay, all right, cool. Planning on getting back in GME if it gets to and holds 30. Let's see how that's doing real quick. I mean, it's trying. A lot of liquidity to the up and downside. But yeah, all right, family. Yeah, that's going to do it for the day. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Thank you for saving us from the depths of, what is it? El Salvador. Yeah, I would say kind of boring day. Not much going on. We do have some news coming into the day tomorrow, so we'll see. But yeah, that's going to do it. Thank y'all very much for stopping by. Hope each and every one of y'all's trades go to y'all's ways. And yeah, hopefully see y'all tomorrow. Matthew Manuel signing off. Oh, actually, let's go on and hit this one. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. And if you don't know what I just said, hey, Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Video Rillo. Peace out, Aaron. Peace out, Mass 3DRC. Peace out, C Smooth. Peace out, My Life Be Like. Peace out, Kareem. Peace out, Carlos. Peace out, Yoko. Peace out, Buddha. Peace out, Carlos. Peace out, M-Sense. Peace out, Derek. Peace out, Julie. Yeah, y'all have a blessed day. I will be seeing y'all. Oh, peace out, Timothy. Yeah. Y'all stay blessed. I'll see y'all tomorrow if y'all stop by.